This is Alyssa from All Things Automotive here in McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Today we're talking about a 2016 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport. We're going to go ahead and head up here to the front. As you can see, you do have your front fog lights as well as your bumper up here. Turn to the side here with our tires. We have some nice tires here, pretty decent depth, 16-inch rims. Here you see that you have your Sport and your Wrangler Unlimited. Keep going to the side. Take a look here. Decent depth again. Back here on the rear tire. Like with every Wrangler, you do have your spare tire here on the back. Again, really decent depth here on the left side of the vehicle. As you can see, you have that dark rim down here. Again, really good tread depth there. Alright, so you do see that you have your trail rated 4x4 badging on the side of your vehicle. It is a hardtop that is removable. We'll take a look here in the back. You do have your extra storage space back here. Pretty decent space actually. And if you lift this up, you have extra tools and things under there. You have your hitch down here if you want to tow anything. We'll take a look at our back seat here. You do have your wind up and wind down mirrors. You have your dark cloth seating. Up there you have your air control here, as well as your lights. You have your cup holders back here for your rear occupants, and these seats do fold down for extra storage in the back. Take a look here in our front seat. You have that extra net here for some extra storage on the side. Again, you have your roll down windows. You have your adjustable seats here with these bars. That dark cloth up here in the front as well. Hop in here and take a look. As you can see, it has 24,399 miles. On this side, you have your headlight controls as well as your wiper blade controls. You have your Bluetooth options here as well as your menu options. Your cruise control settings here. You have your standard AM/FM radio along with a CD player, and you have your Bluetooth and media controls up here. And then you can set your radio controls here, and you have your extra auxiliary cord plug in there. Here's your heating and cooling. You have your extra port here if you want to charge anything. You have your four-wheel drive. This is a stick shift. You have your extra cup holders here and some extra storage here in the center. You have your upper port there, as well as your lower extra space here. You do have a USB port in here, as well as another option for you to charge something else. We're going to go ahead and hop out here and take a look for any blemishes. Go up to the front. Usually there's some stone chippings. This looks really good. Looks like there's a small stone chip right there beside the headlight. All the wheels look really, really good. There might be a few little stone chips there on the front of the mirror. That's pretty typical. You do have some scratches up here on top of your hardtop. That's just from folding it up and down. Overall, looks like a really good vehicle. You do have those stone chips, like I said, a couple little scratches on the hardtop. But overall, it looks really good. Doesn't look like there's any dents or anything on it. So if you want to take a look, or if you have any other questions about this vehicle, you can give us a call here at 717-485-4224. You can visit our website at www.allthingsautomotive.com for any more information. And you can come visit us here at our dealership at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg. Thanks for watching.